Do you want commissions that look like this? To get commissions like this every single day, I have to reveal the secrets of those of Jono Armstrong, Spencer Meekum. All these are affiliate marketing millionaires, or even people such as myself who know how to generate these results on autopilot. If you want commissions coming in like that, like clockwork, and you're a beginner or you've been struggling to generate money online, you need to do these 3 things. And if you implement these things, they work every single time. Took me years to figure this out, lots of money burned, and my wife looking at the side of my head really crazy for not paying the light bills. I would just simply turn this on like a faucet. I'm going to reveal these things to you in this video, and if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you the loophole that will not only help you make a strong, solid side income, but that will help you get anything you want in life and to never work that stinking job again. I remember working a long day of work, getting off at 4:30, trying to rush and change my clothes in order to get to U-Haul for my second job. I needed to do this so that I could pay a freaking bill of $300 every single month for a credit card that I had ran the credit limit to. I would sit at the front desk thinking about how I'm losing time with my family, my dumb decisions, and how I'm never gonna be in this situation again. And so what did I do? I had my online business. I sent messages, I was driving traffic, and I would find a lazy excuse in order to go to the back of the room to use the company computer in order to do 10 minutes of work to grow my online business and generate commissions. Now, was I supposed to be doing that? Nah, I don't highly recommend you doing affiliate marketing at your job, but I needed the extra $500 in order to not only replace that job, but also to really get on the right track and change my life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do these things, how I did it, and how you can do the exact same thing, but you have to watch all the way to the end. I don't want you to miss anything. This actually works. Just recently had somebody on Facebook tell me that watching YouTube videos is all bogus videos. Well, this is not bogus, my friends. So go ahead, take out your notepad, take out your pencil, and check this out. First thing I'm gonna show you is how to not lose $400, because that's what I did about 2 weeks ago when trying to do this very same method. But Antonio, I thought you told me this works every single time. It does when you follow everything I'm going to teach you today. So what's the first thing? Aside from losing $400, the first thing is to find a freaking winning product, a popular product that is selling and that is making money. I know that you've heard me say this stuff on other videos, but I cannot beat this in your head enough because it is that important, or else I would not have lost the $400. How did I do that? I picked the sorry product. It's not that the product was sorry, but times are changing. What sold 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago may not sell to the same audience right now. And so I picked a product. I was actually testing a product. I was testing 2 of them, as a matter of fact, to see how much money I can generate from them for commissions. And I was actually going to do a test or a case study and show you guys. But after running traffic and more and more and more traffic and more traffic, I realized, this product is not selling. So instead of trying to make it work, you have to shelve that bad boy and not promote it. Don't lose money. And so to those who are my students, for those who watch my YouTube videos, I'm not going to tell you what product it is, but I'm just going to simply tell you, if it proves that it does not sell, do not try to make it sell. Do not ignore that point. Point number 2, your traffic source is the lifeline of your business. If your body does not have water for X amount of days, you will eventually die. You will dehydrate, you won't have any oxygen flow to your muscles. You're just not really gonna last very long without water. The same thing for your business. If you don't have any traffic coming to your business, you are not going to make any money. What do? Let me switch over here. I like Warrior Plus a lot because tons of products are always being popped up, new ones, new fresh ones, new methods. I can come through here, I can select a product. If I want to try and sell it, I can hit request and get permission to get the okay in order to get the affiliate link to sell. Now, this is not the video for that. I have plenty other videos, but there's also Digistore. I love Digistore. this YouTube product. I'm actually going to put this inside of my YouTube course, this affiliate link, because it is $9.97 and you get a 50% commission. This is proven to sell. However, there is a huge cancellation rate of 16.9%. Whoa, that is crazy. But because I understand that it takes a lot of work in order to do what this guy's saying, I completely understand. So I would only recommend that to an audience that's willing to not just by the snap of a finger get some results. Nonetheless, that's reiterating point one. Point number two is getting traffic. I like to get traffic from Udemy, however you pronounce it. I'm actually going to purchase 100 clicks from this young lady, Leah Malasa. I think that's how you spell her name. But her traffic has proven to be really good for me. She's cheap enough, and her traffic's cheap enough, and I know it brings solid results. Okay, there's plenty of other individuals in here where you can make purchases of traffic, and you can also check some of my other videos that I've posted. I'm going to leave it right here. Check this out. It's above on top. You can go ahead and click that link, and you find people and you can purchase traffic on your own leisure for 50 cents, 44 cents, 60 cents per click, whatever your hearts so desire. And one more, we can come over here to Facebook, and within Facebook, you can come and type solo ads, and there's a ton of groups that you can visit. All right. You can also use other tactics like Bing ads, Facebook ads. If you're a beginner or if you're struggling, I highly recommend you use solo ads. Solo ads is not dead. I did a video on this as well. Go ahead and check it out. If I use it and I'm showing you what works 100% of the time, then you need to really think about these methods as far as growing your business. After you've made some money, then try some of the other things. Last but not least, I have gotten inside of the traffic game, and as a beginner, I'm giving a huge discount. So go ahead, check the link below, purchase some traffic from me. Let me see if I can get you some sales and some good solid traffic for your business. Now, tip number 3, after you've found a phenomenal product that is selling, that is making money like hotcakes, and you have your traffic, everything else should be easy. You drive traffic to the landing page, people purchase the product, and you collect the commission. That's it, right? Wrong. So that you're not doing this over and over and over again, reworking everything one by one and wasting all the time, you need to create a system. Your system will help you put everything on autopilot. You put money in, you pull the lever, and like an ATM machine, you get money out. That is what I like. That is what I teach. Now, will you make money 100% of the time? I'm not going to say 100% of the time, but darn near close if you follow the instructions of what I'm teaching you guys. Use what already works. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. So what system am I talking about? Listen, it's this simple, okay? I send people over to my landing page. Once they put in their information, then they submit their information. I get their email address and they come over to my thank you page. Some people call this a bridge page, whatever you want to call it. I also have something else called bonuses, and with my bonuses, I give added value if people take me up on my offer. That's a couple of techniques tied in one, but it all works. I do it one time and I don't do it again. All I need to do at this point is send traffic over to these things. So that's practically it, guys. When it comes to the 3 steps, that's all you need to know in order to replace your jobs, in order to get anything that you want and make the money as need be. Of course, you can collect emails. It makes it a whole lot more simpler. We talked about systems before. Go ahead and check my link for free coaching if you do not understand all that stuff. If you want more information as to integrate emails and how you can build up to $5,000 or even $10,000 a month with this system, very simple. It's not rocket science. And so the last thing that I want to tell you guys, you stay to the end if you're still watching this, I wanted to share this whole thing about the loophole. What is the actual loophole? It's really not a trick. It's very simple, actually, that you're going to be surprised how simple this is. The people like Spencer Meekum and Jonah Armstrong, the reason that they hit $1 million in their first and second years of business and beyond, and the reason that I found like the most success in my business in about a 2 or 3 month time span is I learned the simple trick of reinvesting your profits into your business. Do not spend a dime your first 3 to 6 months of any profits that you've made. Reinvest it into your business, into your traffic, and you will grow your business by warp speed. Trust me on this. When you make $100, put that back into traffic, and then you will generate $300. I'm kind of guesstimating, I'm paraphrasing here. Don't take these numbers for a matter of fact. But your $300 can turn into $1,000, and then your $1,000 per month can turn into $1,000 day. And then your $1,000 days can turn into $10, $20, $40,000 months. I'm not exaggerating here because this is what people do all the time. All of the time. That's why I love harping on Spencer Meekum and his course. Don't go spend your money on a Louis bag or a Gucci bag. Sure, keep yourself up, get a haircut, whatever, pay bills, whatever bills you need to pay, but don't take all of your money and eat it all up. Reinvest the profits back into your business. Double, triple, quadruple your traffic and quadruple the results in a very short period of time. This is how you find success in 6 months as opposed to 12 months. Get whatever you want after that point. Make the sacrifice, go on vacations later. That's all I got for you guys. Antonio Carter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know if this made sense. Let me know if you got any questions. Holler at me inside of my Facebook group. And please, I only have 10 spots left for my 4 weeks of free coaching. Go ahead and grab it right now. The link is down below. I really want to help you guys out on this one, all right? We'll see you soon.